Welcome. I'm Marta Mercadante, and let's take a look at this apartment.
The client called me in a Sunday night in a panic. He's got to get everything out of here and into storage. The movers are coming this weekend and he is nowhere near ready. If he's not packed in the next 2 days, who knows how long it's going to take to schedule another move, and his lease is up. It's a nice apartment, but there is a lot of stuff. It looks like he's got it about half done. There is a lot of work in the kitchen. Closet is full, of course. He's done a lot of work in the living room, but most of the boxes aren't full, and there is a lot of stuff that still needs to be wrapped and boxed. Oh my goodness. Let's look at the whole apartment. Stuff everywhere. Let's look another full closet. Let's look at the bedroom. Wow, wow, wow. Another closet in the bedroom. We are going to need 2 people to hit his schedule. Time to roll up our sleeves. 2 long days later, 14 hours, everything's ready for the move. A nice stack of boxes for the movers and some miscellaneous furniture. They will wrap in moving blankets. Wow, I'm tired, but I love helping someone who was really stuck. It's a funny story. After we did all this work, he didn't pay me. I called a couple of times, no answer. Finally, he called me back after 1 week. You know why? He went from the move directly to the hospital with pneumonia, probably brought on by the dust he inhaled. He loved the work, paid in full, and promised to call for help when he pulls everything out of storage.
I am Marta Mercadante with Organizing LLC. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for your kind attention. Obrigada pela sua atenção. We'll have more organizing stories next week. Until then, stay organized.